Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After 19 years, Chris Harrison has stepped aside from the remainder of this season's hosting duties following controversial comments that lent support to the contestant who has emerged as the frontrunner for star Matt James. 16 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Chris Harrison is stepping aside from The Bachelor hosting after excusing historical racism. The Bachelor host and executive producer Chris Harrison will be stepping down from hosting The Bachelor for an indeterminate period of time, according to a statement posted to his Instagram on February 13. February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Soon after, Harrison announced he would be stepping aside from the franchise for an undisclosed period of time, including not appearing on After the Final Rose, which will serve as the final episode of James's season. 1 day ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chris Harrison is stepping aside from The Bachelor hosting after excusing historical racism. In Harrison's statement about stepping down, he writes, "By excusing historical racism, I defended it." 13 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chris Harrison stepping aside from role as Bachelor host after defending controversial contestant. Television personality Chris Harrison announced Saturday that he is stepping aside from his role as host of The Bachelor franchise. 13 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.